Hi everyone, this is for PHL 6308, Fundamentals for Chiropractic Research Literacy, and I'm just going to show you how to get to D2L. So here we are on the NYCC website. Go to Quick Links and you can click on D2L. Once this pops up, make sure you put in your username and password and click Login. Okay, and then on the bottom you should see all of the courses that you have been assigned to. You want to make sure that you click on Fundamentals for Chiropractic Research Literacy. And then once you're on that site, and you'll know that because of the title is right here, you want to go to Resources and Content. And you'll see everything over on the left-hand side. So you'll see your syllabus, your assignment, checklist, bibliography, worksheets, and so on and so forth. So this video was just an introduction as to how to get onto D2L. If you have any questions, please contact me via email. It's snutting@nycc.edu. Thank you. Have a good day.